Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade cotton candy with Jolly Ranchers. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You'll need about 10 to 12 unwrapped Jolly Rancher candies for a good batch. Make sure your cotton candy machine is clean and ready to go. Don't forget to have some paper cones or sticks nearby. These will be crucial for collecting your delicious, colorful floss. This easy method will transform hard candy into a delightful, airy treat. Now that you have your Jolly Ranchers, it's time for a quick prep step. Carefully unwrap each candy. For some cotton candy machines, especially smaller ones, it helps to break the candies into 2 or 3 smaller pieces. This ensures they melt more evenly and spin into floss efficiently. Try to keep similar flavors together in one batch to enjoy their individual tastes fully. This simple preparation makes a big difference. With your candies ready, it's time to fire up the cotton candy machine. Plug it in and let it preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures the heating element is hot enough to melt the candy quickly and efficiently. Once preheated, carefully drop 1 or 2 small pieces of your unwrapped Jolly Rancher directly into the center spinning head. Watch closely as the magic happens. The candy will melt and transform into colorful, sugary floss. As the floss starts to appear, grab a paper cone or stick. Hold it horizontally, just above the spinning head, and slowly rotate it to catch the delicate strands. The cotton candy will build up quickly, forming a beautiful, fluffy cloud. Continue rotating and collecting until all the candy you added has been spun. Enjoy your homemade, colorful Jolly Rancher cotton candy immediately for the best experience. It's a sweet and simple delight.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.